Okay, so we have both the Janus with us, the very beautiful Shraddha Kapoor, and the guy who is getting handsome day by day, Aditya Roy Kapoor with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And they are going to answer all your Snapchat and Instagram questions.
Cool.
You guys have sent. Guys up for it?
Yes.
Bring it on. Okay, the very first questions we have is from Radhika on Snapchat. That why the movie name is OK Janu? Why not OK Babu, OK Baby, OK Bacha?
Actually, the thing is that the original, the name was OK Kanmani, which translates to OK Darling.
Okay.
And I think when Shad and Karan all were thinking of a name, Manisan were thinking of a name, they were trying to find something which gave you that flavor. I don't even know how to, even flavor
Or
is
like
the word, something that,
similar to that, some term
Something
of endearment,
sweet,
which is
that's
sweet and
exactly.
nice.
yeah, so,
It's a sweet Hindi word.
yeah,
Yeah.
so actually there's no explanation, it's just about what you feel when you hear it.
Yeah.
So I think they felt like Janu gives you that same kind of
Sweetness,
vibe and
yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
Okay. So Diksha Agrawal is asking for the rap of the song Hamma Hamma by Shraddha.
No, he does it very well. I don't know the
Both
rap
of
at
you
all.
can do
He
that.
knows the full rap. Aditya, I think you should do it.
Aditya
Come
for
on. And 1,
Diksha Agrawal.
2, 3, go.
मुझे डर इस बात का है बस कि कहीं ना ये रात निकल जाए मेरे इतने भी पास तू आमद कहीं ना ये हाथों से ना बात निकल जाए बोलूंगा सच में जो दे तू इजाजत सबर भी अब करने लगा बगावत जुल्फे है जालिम और आंखें हैं आफत लगता है होने वाली है कयामत मत तड़पा ऐसे तू ना करे ना इंसाफी आज गलती करने वाला हूँ मैं उसकी पहले से ही मांगता हूँ माफी ऐसा कुछ है
Very good. Awesome. Okay, to Shraddha. There are so many things written on social media that you scored 95% on your 12th.
Huh?
Is
Only
it
in
true?
the 12th. Only in the 12th, and also not, see, I did a different board of studies, and I didn't get 95% in everything. I just
95?
did, 1 second. I did this IB board,
Okay.
and actually in the 10th and 11th, my marks were so bad that I decided कि
You
12th
have
में
to do it.
I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it to such a level that I'll be able to get admission in good colleges. So overall my score on IB was a 32
Oh 32%
on
But this-
40 something, okay,
Okay.
which is equivalent to between 85 and 90 overall.
So out of 40, you got
So,
32.
Yeah. So it's about that equals to about 85 to 90%.
Around.
nothing 32% she got fail
But out of 40, she is saying, no.
क्या कुछ भी
It's equivalent.
हाँ आउट ऑफ 40 का होता है फाइनल एग्जाम
Actually,
क्या आईबी वाईबी कुछ भी
next question by Meher. Adi, if Aditya would be a part of Shraddha's body, which one it would be?
What?
if I were a part of your body
I don't know. Question from your lovers, actually.
I could be one part of your body
Maybe nose. She got beautiful nose.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
I
have
have a big nose. You can be my nose.
anything you want to say?
I should what?
Or maybe the voice, because she got a very good.
But voice is
beautiful
not a
body.
body part.
Actually,
throat
throat. Yeah.
weird is
Throat
the
you can
weirdest question now if someone asks you what's the weirdest question someone's asked you
Which body part?
which body part of your co-star would you like to be maybe her I don't know man I think
say. Look at her and decide. Look at her, no?
yeah maybe her
Eyes.
her hair
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
yeah she takes good care of her hair so you know
Really?
spa every couple
I'm
of days
trying. Not at all. But
Hair spa.
I'm trying.
The question is, Aditya, would you go on a street of Mumbai and ask a random girl for a date if you liked her? And Shraddha, if you are that girl, will you go with Aditya and say, okay, Janu?
So you're saying random as in we don't know each other?
No. If
Then?
he's going on streets of Mumbai and like that girl and ask for a date,
Huh.
so will he do that? And the same question comes to you if
someone
that guy
comes
is Aditya.
if it's me then she knows me
Yeah.
I think the question is that if someone randomly comes up to you and asks you out how will you react you know?
No,
Nahin,
not
if it's me if it's me, she'll say, hey bro, I'll say, what's up?
Hey,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we call each other bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. To Shraddha, why she took a selfie after first fight? Because girls usually don't take a selfie after fight. Neha is asking.
So it's an interesting moment in the film. I think it's it's a take on this current generation and how like we put up everything that we feel we want to share. And
Even if it's not
Even if
appropriate.
it's not appropriate,
Yeah.
just on Instagram. So it's just like a quirky way of like taking a
Making a bit of
what do you-
a like taking
taking
the
the
piss.
out of
Of-
it.
That was one of the sort.
It's true.
Yeah.
That was one of the sort I liked most.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's interesting.
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
nice. I'm glad you did.
Okay. This question to both of you. In movie, you guys are in a live-in relationship, right? So in real life, if you guys are given a chance to live in a relationship, then who it will be? Mohit is asking.
Mohit is asking, in who will it be with?
Who will it be with?
Yeah.
No, I have
given a chance.
not come across that person yet.
Yeah,
Mohit.
क्योंकि
Not even a celebrity crush
I have
you
not
want
come
to be
across
with?
that person yet, and also I feel like I love living with my parents, so it would be very difficult for me to leave that home. My dad teases me, he's like, you should bring your husband home. So maybe.
No,
How about you?
I also haven't been in a relationship where I felt like I want to live in with that person. I don't think I found that person so far. And also I live alone, so I think it'll be very tough for me to start sharing everything that I
That's
have to
logical,
myself right now. Yeah.
Okay. From Kapil Patil, ask Shraddha to ask Aditya some question where Aditya is forced to say, okay, Janu.
Acha.
You have to ask few questions and he has to say, okay, Janu.
Stop it.
What do I ask him? Aditya, you'll watch Okay Janu
Okay, Janu.
with me
Okay.
on the 11th for the screening.
Okay, Janu.
Okay.
Sweet. I'll also watch.
Thanks.
Okay. There's one more question by Nupur. You and Disha Patani look similar. What's your reaction on that?
Me and?
Disha Patani.
I've actually, I've heard this.
lot of people are
I've
commenting
heard,
over there,
yeah,
yeah.
I've heard this. And there are some memes someone has sent
we have
me
created a meme actually.
of
on
Ramesh
that.
Suresh.
Yeah.
So it's funny.
Ramesh and
Ramesh Suresh, and they put
There's a thing,
mine
no?
and Disha's picture.
That Ramesh and Suresh
I
are-
think it's damn funny.
But you look somehow.
Yeah, you think we can look like sisters?
You look.
Good, I think she's really pretty. So that's
Okay.
good.
There's a question by Rina. Ask Shraddha that why she's so adorable. What's the secret?
Are?
Yeah.
Who is
A
this?
girl is saying.
Who?
Rina.
Reena. Reena, thank you, Reena. But, I mean, I don't know. I think.
why?
You just shouted at me. I have what to say to that, Reena. I'll just say thank you.
Okay. To Aditya, what would you do if Janu is upset because you didn't take her for shopping? How
What to do? You can make it up for her by online shopping is also a very nice way to not have to get out of your house, and it's actually quite addictive. So I would open some nice site with some things that I think she'll like, and I'll choose a few things and show her the what is it called, the cart, and make her mood better by saying I'll do something like that. Some online shopping we'll do.
Good way actually. Each movie teaches you something. What we gonna learn from Okay Janu?
Oh.
Oh.
Well, I think if I give it away, then we'll give away the film.
Acha, okay, then then don't do that.
No, but I've definitely learned something from Okay Janu,
Okay.
which I guess I can answer that after I see the movie.
But you can
After
some
movies.
few things you must have learned.
That there is something really beautiful about some
About being in a relationship.
about relationships that are like forever, and that you've spent time together for years and you've grown together.
Right.
There's something very beautiful in that.
How about you, sir? The
I'm just thinking. Yeah, that's there. But learn from the shooting of Okay Janu.
Or from the film, he said.
Oh, from the film. Taking very long to answer this for some reason.
You can choose my answer.
Yeah, okay, her answer. But there are many things I learned. I enjoyed this shooting process. We shot this film really fast. I've never shot a film so fast. So just kind of trying to conserve energy and know when you need to use it, when to save it, how to shoot fast and do things quickly, but still kind of, be concentrated. It taught us a lot, actually.
Okay. So all the viewers who have sent us questions, there were thousands of questions. Would you like to say something?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for all your questions, and That's sweet that you guys are interested in knowing what we think about things, and that you guys
There
are
were
also.
thousands
And
of questions.
that
I
Yeah.
filtered few questions.
Okay, sorry we couldn't answer all your questions.
Yeah,
But thank
sorry
you for
for that.
watching, and please promote our film and tell everyone to watch it. It's the first film of the year. It's on the 13th of Jan, and we hope.
And it's nice that there's an excitement about
Actually,
the
there is.
film that's
Yeah.
come through your questions also. So that feels really nice. So thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Watch the film, and that's all.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.